updating your house numbers. This quick fix will really set you apart from your neighbors and makes your home easier to find. There are many options to choose from, so get creative. Paint an old piece of furniture. This can turn an outdated nightstand or a chair into a stunning new addition. Also, go ahead and paint your front door. Try something that complements your home, or be daring with a bold color. Cracks and gaps in sidewalks and walkways can quickly expand through the year. Not only will a patch job make your pathway look nicer, it will also be safer for visitors. Fix your sidewalk or driveway with patching compound specifically made for cement. I hope you liked these home improvement tips. Be sure to subscribe and put on notifications so you get all our new videos. And check out more tips at our website, westchesterhomes.kw.com.